The Reformation was a religious movement in the 16th century that changed Europe, including England. It challenged the power of the Catholic Church and emphasized that people should read and understand the Bible for themselves. In England, this led to the translation of the Bible into English, making it more accessible to everyone. This helped increase literacy and influence the English language. Writers like William Tyndale translated the Bible, and others, like Thomas More, wrote about religious debates between Catholics and Protestants. The Reformation also encouraged individual thinking and personal faith, which became important themes in English literature. The Reformation happened during the Renaissance, a time when people became more interested in classical ideas. This influenced writers like Shakespeare and Marlowe to explore human nature and complex moral issues in their plays. Overall, the Reformation helped shape English literature by promoting the use of clear language, making religious texts accessible, and inspiring new ways of thinking about religion and society.